Okay, so when you build your website, it's a good practice to really start with your sitemap. The sitemap basically it's like a content plan or plan of the information flow. I can show you an example later. A credible website must have at least 30 pages. I'll explain that on a separate discussion on related to this one. But for now, we just have to focus on the design and the aesthetics of WordPress. So I want you to take note of these websites. These are the websites that we use to create a wireframe. So a wireframe basically is a representation or a presentation of how the website looks like. I can show you an example here. So this is an example of a wireframe. So basically what it does, it shows us the layout of how the website will look like. It's basically kind of a basic layout, and this will serve as the guide as you develop the design of your website. This is actually the example actual website that was already built based on this wireframe. It won't be hard to do the wireframing because you can actually just use MS Paint if you really like. And also another easy tool on top of what we have shown here, like Glyphy.com, EnvisionApp.com, GoMockingbird.com, MacFlow.com, Wireframe.cc, and Draw.io. These tools basically can be used for the same purpose, wireframing, or doing the layout, kind of sketching how your website's gonna look like. Okay, so this is an example of the sitemap. As you can see here, we have the home link, the shop, and then the contents of each shop, and the about pages, and the blog post, and other standard pages.